Today, the session I'm going to take, I will continue the same topic, number system, but the concept I will cover today is about HCF and LCM. It is one of the important concepts from number system topic. I expect that everybody has revised the last 3-4 sessions I have taken yet about number system. S. Srinivasan, Nikita, S. Srinivas, Reddy, Bhaskar, Rishika, Pooja, Ayan, Ishita, Vishal, Chichamao, Parkunan, V. Harati. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Did you revise the last class? Okay, you practiced the assignment questions. Okay, that's great. That's great. Good. Almost everybody have done it. That's great. So, are you ready, guys? Should we start HCF and LCM? Two terms. HCF is highest common factor. First, I will discuss the basic. Then I will come to the questions as well. So let's concentrate upon basic first, and then upon questions. Okay. So basic, you should know about HCF and LCM, how we used to calculate, and the questions they used to ask. What kind of questions they used to ask? That I'm going to give you. Don't worry. HCF is what? HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. The second term, LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple. Two terms. HCF is highest common factor. LCM is least common multiple. Concentrate upon two things first. What about factor? What about multiple? Factor and multiple. If I will give you a number 24, if I will take a number 24, factor of 24, and multiple of 24, there are two terms. Let's discuss one by one. If I'm talking about this number 24, what are the factor of 24? 1 can divide 24, 2 can divide 24, 3 can divide 24, 4 can divide 24, 6 can divide 24, 8 can divide 24, 12 can divide 24, 24 can divide 24. Okay, is the point clear? The term, the number which can divide the number. Okay, the values which can divide the number. If I'm talking about this number 24, values which can divide this number are factor of this number. 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 4 can divide, 6, 8, 12, 24. All these values individually can divide 24. So these are factor of 24. And the values which are divisible by 24 are multiple of 24. 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72, 4s are 96. All these values, the multiple of 24 are more than 24, greater than equal to 24. The values which are exactly divisible by 24 are multiple of 24. The values which can divide 24 are factor of 24. Is there any problem, any doubt? The point clear? Factor and multiple. Okay, good, very nice. Let's come to the point. If I will give you a number in the factorized form, if I will give you a number in the factorized form, 2 to 7, 3 to 3, 7 to 11, then second number is 2 to power 5, 3 to power 13, 7 to power 9. Two values in the factorized form has been given. If I will ask you, what will be the LCM of these values? These two values, what is the LCM of these two values? So LCM of these two, take maximum power of 2, maximum power of 3, maximum power of 7 by comparing these two. Very good, Mr. Reddy. He's saying take the highest power. Very good, Vishal. Great. Many students know about it. 2 to power 7 is the maximum power. 3 to power 13 is the maximum power. Among these two, 3 to 3, 3 to 13. Maximum is 3 to 13. 2 to 7, 2 to 5. 2 to 7 is highest. 7 to 11, 7 to 9. 7 to 11 is highest. So I expect that LCM is clear to all of you. What about HCF? 2, 3, 7. Find the minimum power of 2, 3, and 7. Minimum power of 2, 2 to 5, 3 to 3, 7 to 9. So take minimum power in case of LCM. Take maximum power in case of LCM. In case of HCF, take minimum power. Okay? Clear? I'll give you one more example. You will have to respond. Everyone will respond. If I will take 2 to power 6, 3 to power 8, 5 to power 7, 7 to power 11. Then come to if 2 to power 5, 3 to power 11, 5 to power 3, 7 to power 17. These two given. Find out LCM of these two. LCM of these two. Tell me, everyone will have to respond. Okay, tell me fast. Yes. Very good, very good. Gaurav, Kiran, Yasmin, Ayan, Srinivas, that's great, very good. 2 to power 6, 3 to power 11, 5 to power 7, 7 to power 17. Take maximum power in case of LCM. If I will ask you about HCF, then what will you say? 2 to power 5, 3 to power 8, 5 to power 3, 7 to power 11. I have taken the maximum power in case of LCM, minimum power in case of HCF. Okay, beta? Point clear to everyone? So let's move. Next, if I will find out HCF of 3 by 7, 5 by 11, 8 by 9. In case if you want to find out HCF of these fractions, then you can easily find out HCF of numerator values and LCM of denominator values. Okay, beta? In case of HCF, take HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. LCM of these values, what will you do? In case of LCM, LCM of 3, 5, and 8. And what about HCF? HCF of 7, 11, and 9. Okay, so I have given you the idea. If you want to find out HCF of fractional parts, So take HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. I am not solving it. I am just giving you an idea how to do. Whenever you will get this type of example, how you are going to attempt, how you are going to solve. So, and we will find the question definitely, and I'm going to explain with example. So now come to LCM. So beta LCM is LCM of all numerators and HCF of all denominators. So this is about LCM. This is about HCF. Have you noted down LCM and HCF of fractional parts, HCF and LCM of the numbers? Then come to one more important thing. If two numbers given, then first into second is equal to HCF of both. First into second is equal to HCM of first and second, and LCM of first and second. So if two numbers given, then first number into second number is equal to HCF of both numbers into LCM of both numbers. Of course, Shweta, which point is not clear, please ask, and I will suggest everyone with example you will understand better, and definitely I'm going to give you awesome examples, exam-centric, the examiner can ask. In this example, Shweta, I will come up with more examples you will understand. Okay. I was saying, if they will ask you how to find out HCF of fractional part, let's say A by B, C by D, E by F. If these fractions are given and you are supposed to find out HCF, so what will you do? HCF of numerator, okay, and LCM of denominator. Okay, beta? Shweta, is this clear, beta? Everybody satisfied? Everybody is clear with the same? Okay, that's great. Good. If LCM you are supposed to find out about A by B, C by D, E by F, then what will you do? In case of LCM, what you are supposed to do, take LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. HCF of denominator. Okay. So it's clear to everyone, I think. And example I have given you, one more concept I have given you. If two numbers given, then first number into second number is equal to HCF of first and second into LCM of first and second. Sometimes they will give you HCF is given this much, LCM is given this much, first number is given this much. Find out this one. So you can find out. That is not a problem. Okay. One more thing. If two numbers given, and let's suppose 7 is to 5 is the ratio, then what will you do? In this case, I can take the number as 7x, I can take the number as 5x. If I'm supposed to find out HCF of these two, then what do you say? The common part is x. The common part is x. Yes, exactly. The common part is x. So x is HCF. What about LCM of both? First common part of both, then take uncommon part 7 is left, 5 is left. Okay. This is LCM. Okay. I think this is clear. Okay, beta? Point clear here? Okay, that's great. Let's start with the examples you will understand better. Very first example, everyone. Let's do it. I will explain it for you. Just start. "30 seconds has been given to you. Just make it fast." That's great. Let's see now. B option, absolutely right. Almost 85% students has responded. Very nice. That's great. If two numbers are given in the ratio 5 is to 11, then I can say this number is 5x. This number is 11x. Okay. If ratio between numbers is given 5 is to 11, I can take the number as 5x and 11x. So if this number is 5x, this number is 11x. So HCF of both the numbers, is x, and which is equal to 24. HCF is given 24. Okay, Rajesh, just listen again. If two numbers ratio is given 5 is to 11, 5 ratio 11, I can take the number as 5x, 11x. Now HCF of both 5x, 11x. This is equal to x. This value of x is given equal to 24. Now sum of these two, sum of both the numbers is equal to 16x. 16 into 24, this is 384. Every single step has been explained. I think this is clear now. Any confusion, any doubt, you're most welcome to ask. Okay guys, let's move to next. Ratio between two numbers, 3:5. LCM is 720. Find larger number. Ratio between two numbers is given 3x and 5x. I can take the numbers 3x, 5x. Okay, 32% students has given me the right answer. Few are saying B option, few are saying A option. Okay, I will explain, you will be more clear. If ratio was given 3:5, so I can take the numbers as 3x and 5x. As LCM is given, LCM of these two, LCM will be x is common, 3 is left, 5 is left. So 15x is equal to 720. The value of x is 48. Is the point clear? LCM of these two, x is common, 3 is left in first, 5 is left in second. So multiply these three values, you will get LCM as 15x, which is 720. So value of x we got 48. So x is 48, find larger number. 5 into 48, 240 will be the right answer. D option is right. Okay, beta. That's great then. If clear, then good. LCM is given, HCF is given, one number is given. Find out the other number. 30 seconds, I'm giving it to you. Just do it. A option, absolutely right. Very, very good. I told you now that first into second. HCF of both into LCM of both. Yes, LCM is given, HCF is given. First number is given 210. Find second number. Find second number. Yes, exactly. This is the point which I gave you initially, that if two numbers has been given, then no need to think. Just use this result. First into second is equal to HCF into LCM. First number is 210. Second number is not given. HCF is what? HCF is 6. LCM is what? This is 5040. So use it and solve it for the second number. Second number will be, this is 210. Cancel out 24, 6 are 140. A option is absolutely right. Should we move further? Okay, okay guys. Getting the answer or not? Tell me fast. Good, 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 good. 53% students has given me the right answer, and this is good. Remaining, you must concentrate now. LCM of two numbers is 12 times the HCF. Let HCF is x. What about LCM then? If HCF is x, LCM will be 12x. HCF is x, LCM is 12x. Now sum of both. LCM plus HCF. 13x, which is given equal to 403. The value of x we got as 31. Okay, beta. HCF as x, LCM will be 12x. Because this is 12 times this is given. Now sum of both is given equal to 403. So 13x is 403, so x is 31. So we got HCF as 31. LCM is 12 into 31. So what should I do then? If they are talking about two numbers, HCF, LCM, one thing come in my mind, and I can use this result. Now come to first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. HCF is what? 31. LCM is what? 12 into 31. One number is 93. Find other number. Okay. 31, 3s are 3, 4s are 4, 1s are 4, 3s are 124. C option is right. Not down the same. Not down the same. The question is simple now. If HCF has been assumed as x, LCM will be 12x. Sum of both is 13x, which is 403. So x we got 31. So HCF is there, LCM is there. Sum of both. Okay, I used. Now come to, if HCF is there, LCM is there, one number is given. Use that trick. This method, first into second is equal to HCF into LCM. So I got 93 into second, 31 into 12 into 31. Second number we got the value. Okay, beta? Let's move to the next one. Of course, no buffering is going on, no buffering. Tell me. A option absolutely right, and many of you getting the right answer, few of you not getting the right answer. No worries, no worries. LCM of two numbers is 168, HCF is 12. If difference between the numbers is 60, then what is the sum of numbers? HCF is 12, LCM is 168. Let HCF is, let me, as HCF is 12, then first number will be 12x. Other number will be 12y. So as HCF is given 12, so numbers I can assume, because if 12 is common in both, I can assume the number is 12x and 12y. So LCM of these two numbers, 12 into x into y, which is given equal to 168. So x into y is 12 ones are 12 fours. Is this point clear or not? Tell me fast. If HCF is 12, I can assume the numbers is 12x and 12y. So I can say that LCM is 12 into x into y. 12 common, then x left and y left, 168. xy is equal to 40. Very first thing. Then come to other thing. Difference. Difference is equal to 12 into x minus y, which is 60. So x minus y is equal to 5. xy, the product is 14. xy, the difference is 5. Okay. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 into 2, product is 14. Product is 14, difference is 5. What is the sum? Sum of both the numbers. 12 into x plus 12 into y. The sum is 12x plus y. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 12 is 108. That you were supposed to find out what will be the sum of both the numbers. I think maybe you have the doubt. You can ask if you find. Okay, that's great. Let's take one more example of same type almost. Nikita, okay, that's great. Difference was that the question was demanding, Rishika, the question was demanding to find out the difference. Let's come to the next. This question is almost same, almost. D option is right, but nobody is getting the right answer. Only few students, few. Sum of two numbers is 128, HCF is 8. If HCF is 8, I can take both the numbers. First number I can take 8x. Second number I can take 8y. If HCF is 8, then I can take the numbers as 8x, 8y. Then LCM of both. LCM of both. 8 is common, x and y left. So 8xy, this is given equal to 500. If HCF is 8, I can consider the numbers first as 8x, 8y. So numbers 8x, 8y. So LCM of 8xy is 500. 8 6 are 48, 8 3 are 24. So xy is equal to 63. Okay, beta? Now what? Now sum of both the numbers is given 128. Sum of both the numbers is given 128. So 8 times x plus 8 times y is given equal to 128. So x plus y, 16 8s are 128. So that is simple now. What are these values? Such that product is 63, sum is 16. 9 plus 7, 16. 9 7s are 63. Sum is 9 plus 7, product is 9 into 7. 63, 16. Now satisfied, I think. Sum of reciprocal of these two numbers. If you are not supposed to find out x and y, that's your choice. Because in fact, there is no necessity to find out this x and y value. I got it, and it is satisfying as well. But now what? Sum of reciprocal of these two numbers. 1 upon 8x plus 1 upon 8y. The sum of their reciprocals. So I can take 8xy is LCM. You are left with x plus y. From this, x plus y is 16. 16 8s are 128. So x plus y is 16. Take 8 in the denominator 128, you will get x plus y. 8xy, the product is 500. Okay. 8 2s are, 8 6s are, 8 3s are. 2 by 63. None of these is absolutely right. Okay, beta? Is the point clear? No. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, this is not. Vishal, because the question is asking sum of reciprocal of two numbers. HCF was 8, I have taken numbers 8x, 8y. So 1 upon 8x plus 1 upon 8y. That's the main thing. Okay? Is the point clear now? Okay, beta? Okay? So guys, this is about HCF, LCM. First part I have discussed today. I'm not taking a big session today. Tomorrow definitely I'll take more time to discuss this topic. I'm not feeling well today, so that's why I'm not taking the big. I'm extremely sorry for the same, but definitely I'll take more tomorrow. One more session at HCF, I will take tomorrow. No issues. Okay. So if I feel comfortable, then I'll teach with more passion and more better way. Okay. That's not a big problem, but little bit I'm not feeling good today. So that's why. Please explain reciprocal with x and y. Okay. I'll explain this complete question again, then I'll finish. Okay. So HCF is given x. If HCF is given x, then I can say first number will be 8x. HCF is given 8. Okay. So numbers I can take 8x, I can take 8y. HCF is given 8. So numbers 8x, 8y. Sum of both. Sum of 8x plus 8y. This is given equal to 128. So x plus y is what? 8 will come down, 8 ones are 8 6. Okay. Or else, I will suggest you, as the sum of numbers, they were saying 8 times x plus 8 times y, the sum is 128, that is there. The second point, LCM was, LCM of 8x, 8y, 8 times x, 8 times y, this is given 504. So xy is what? 8 3s are 8 2s. Okay. 8 3s are 8 6 are. 8 6 are 8 3s are. So x and y product is 63. Okay. And then 8 times x plus y is 128. So sum of reciprocal of both numbers. One number is 8x, one number is 8y. So I can take 8xy, x plus y. X plus y, after solving this one, you will get 16. 8xy is already, we got the second point, 504. 8 2s are, 8 6 are, 8 3s are, 2 by 63. Okay, so definitely we will continue the same topic with more questions on HCF LCM. But my suggestion to everyone, revise the complete whatever I have taught you today. Do it. You will find better output if you will revise it. Thank you guys. See you next class. Goodbye.